Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will be, as promised, trying to make an origami 10 subscriber YouTube playback thing. Okay, well, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if we get to 20 subscribers, then I'll do some other crazy thing, like cool thing. Okay, so you'll see when we get there, or if we get there. So hit that subscribe button and it will come sooner. And if you hit that little notification bell, it'll notify you when I upload a new video. Also, if you don't know, because I didn't until recently, maybe it's just because I don't pay attention, but you have to hit the subscribe button or you can't hit the bell. But if you hit the subscribe button, it'll let you hit the bell. So yeah, well, let's get started. Let me get some paper. Okay, so what color? I'm feeling gold. Huh? You agree? Let's do it. Okay, let me get some papers and start. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make it pretty small though. Let me just cut this, stick this thing there. There? Huh? You guys agree? I think so. Let's do this. Okay, there we go. So there's just the base thing. Now let me make the triangle. So this is going to be parts. Let me hold this. Also, if you guys are watching, you can do this as well. You can be like a tutorial and you can make something like this for yourself. So yeah, I don't really care if you do. Oh, also guys, if I'm looking up like this, that just means I'm thinking, because I do that a lot when I'm thinking. It's just normal for me. That is a triangle, but it might be a bit big. Let me go. Yeah, that's too big. Let me keep going. There. Then we flip it.
The bulk, yeah, you're probably right, maybe because it's so much, maybe it is a slim margin of profit that since it's so much, I mean, that might be it. Maybe they don't make that huge killing on each piece. It's awesome. It would be awesome.
Okay, here's the tricky part. So I'm thinking I'm going to do this one.
It's always something new. Always. How do you think he's coming up with all these ideas? I mean, that's to me is very amazing.
I think I got it.
I got everything I want. You watch my show, I open another box, and you'd be like, oh my god, I don't have that, I need that.
Okay.
The variety. The variety. Here's one dance ring.
Alright, maybe now.
You know what I was thinking? I wonder, how fun. I wonder if they yep, like that one, or like, nope, 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 yep, that's a good one. I wonder if that's a thing. I have no idea. I mean, that would be kind of cool. I wonder.
I messed up. Looks like I need to get a new clipboard.
Variations in the
I'm gonna pause and get back to where I was. Okay, looks like I'm about back to where I was. Let's do this.
And they start out with, it's a really cool story. You got it, Cindy. It's a really, really cool story. It started out with two sisters. I think they're both in their 40s and 50s now, but they were young, two young sisters, who were designing their own jewelry and making their own jewelry and selling it. Just two little girls, two little sisters that were, they were in their 20s or whatnot, and that's how it started. And they had a lot of success. And they just took everything they had and then turned it into this multi-million dollar operation. Girls. And now, of course,
What does the YouTube thing look like, though?
Business, but it's all
Like
here in the United States.
this, I think? Yeah, I think so. Let's do that.
It's Misty Curdy and her sister, I think it's called Channing and Misty Curdy, K-I-R-D-Y. Really cool.
Okay.
Really cool.
Let me shake this. See if it
I don't think Miss Cindy, I got you.
works.
If anyone else wants that yellow necklace, shout it out if you didn't get it yet. And then
It doesn't. Let's make it smaller then. If I just do this in half, it should be about this size.
So, the yellow snap, yellow necklace.
Oh yeah, it's like perfect. Let me glue it on, guys. I'll be right back up. I'll be right back and then glue it. Okay guys, I glued it. Now I just gotta wait for it to dry. Must have been upside down. Okay. Well, I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I'll be back after. Okay guys, so here it is. Here it is. I gotta wait for this to dry. There will be a few purple marks and it might look weird like this, but that's it for the simple part. Now to make a 1 and try to make a 0. I can make a 1, but a 0, and I'm going to put a 1 here and a 0 here for 10. Okay, let's do this. Oh wait! Oh, maybe you guys do see it right with this. No, wait. Hold on. This. No? Oh, there we go. This. There we go. Okay. Maybe you guys do see it right. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and make the 1. So I'm going to new piece of paper. Let me just fold it in half twice. Pretty simple.
Yeah, it's pretty darn close. Yeah, I'd say that's a pretty good match.
Alright, and then let's do it. This. Just cut it like this, and then I'll do it one more time. Whoa, I messed up. That's good. Okay. So now let's cut it in this half again. Okay, and glue this one so it doesn't do this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I think that's, dropped it. I think that's pretty good. Now, that's weird, but it's fine. So let me attach it to the play button and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys. Oops, messed up. Hold on.
Okay, so blue, orange, or deco.
There we go. There's the one. It's still a bit flimsy, but I'll fix that with some glue. Okay guys. Come on. There we go, 1. Now I just gotta make a 0 or no or whatever. Oh. That's gonna be a bit harder than this. Let's get to it though. I'm thinking I just make it circular with some simple things like
Oh my God.
just do
Things pop out of those mouths. So great. Oh, so great.
this. Okay.
Wouldn't it be fun if all the kids got to know the jewelry and go out and have like a casino night? I think that would be
I got glue on my hands, so I can't crease it that
fun.
well.
And you can like dress up and deck yourself out. I think that would be a lot of fun.
Okay, now let's do this.
Have one of these. This is a green, kind of like a green, quartz with like the apple and the gel sprinkled in. It's very unusual. If they don't like that, use mine on them. Oh no! And Miller. Oh no! You got the DVD. Oh, y'all are great.
Okay,
So this is like a, and then it's got the sparkle abalone on it. This is a hostess reward, so I only have one. Unusual. Very unique. That's great. And that's a nice one. Kind of like glass. It's got string. And then, man, you're running around.
okay, we got a circle. Now let's glue it all down. Be right back. Okay, guys, I glued it all down. Now I'm gonna go find some scissors for this next part. Okay, so guys, I just noticed this thing's too big. We gotta size it down. Let's see. How do I size this thing down? No, it's gonna be hard. Guess if I do this, it would work. Yeah. Let's glue that down. Be right. Okay, now I'm doing these corners. Let's glue them down. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let me now fold this to cut it like a 0. Oh, this is hard because it's folded so tightly and all. It's hard to cut.
I'll have to watch that one. Next, here is a red.
Okay, let's see how it turned out. Let's see if I have to start completely over on 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Pretty good, actually. I'm of course going to put this side up because you don't see the folds nearly as much. Okay, I'm going to glue it on the play button thing and I'll show you after. See ya. Okay guys, here's the final product. So it's 1, 0, and then like a play button thing in the middle. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Congratulations to getting to the end of the video. You get a reward this time. Just give me 1 second. I'll be there in a second. You get a new pair of shoes. Yeah, I threw them at you. Okay, bye guys.